First thing I'll do is open up Google Play Store. Once you've opened up the app, once you've opened it up like this, the next thing you do is you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then from here, you tap on payments and subscription, which is still option here. Tap on payment method, and now you choose the payment method you want. This is for you to make your next purchase fast and easy. So we have credit or debit card, we have PayPal, we have redeem code, and we have Google Play credit. So you choose the payment method you want. That is how. So that is for adding. Now, in case you've already added one, it will appear here. Then you simply tap on it and remove it by following the on-screen prompts. Now, the thing is, I don't have against other payment method. That is why I cannot remove it. But normally, let's say I add a credit card and I've saved the card, and I can easily remove it. If it's PayPal, this is how to do it. Fill it and then you tap on allow. If it is redeem code, you put in the code or you scan your gift card and tap on redeem. So last option, by Google Play credit, you can buy the credit for this is $10, $50, 25 and 50. So once you've chosen, you now choose continue. So you can see, and you must still add a payment card. It's as simple as that.